Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set video quality preference on Wi-Fi on YouTube. Now the first thing you do is to open up your YouTube app, and then you look at the bottom here, you see options, and you click on the U icon, which is the last one at the bottom right corner. Then you click on the gear icon, which is the last option on the top right corner. This opens up your settings. Then you go all the way to video quality preference, tap on it, and then you have two options under video quality preference. Now we have the video quality on mobile networks preference, and also we have the video quality on Wi-Fi. Now we want to set the video quality preference on Wi-Fi, so we're going to go to there. We have three options under there. We have the automatic or the auto, which is the recommended option, because it helps to adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions. But if you want to higher picture quality, actually you tap on higher picture quality, but just know that this uses more data. Now if you want to save your data and you want lower picture quality, just tap on the last option. So any of these three be a good way to set your video quality on Wi-Fi. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.